Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So आज हम सीखेंगे choreography on the song Jalebi Devi. If you haven't watched the video yet, I'll link it above here and I will mirror this video for your comfort. So this is my right and this is my left. Okay, so let's begin. So first you have to jump and you have to place your right hand near your mouth and it goes ah. And after that you have to make a semicircle with your right leg and your right hand and you have to go semicircle. So it goes semicircle. After that your hands will go right, left, right. And with that you have to step in place, go right, left, right. So it goes right, left, right. Now you have to do kind of a wave with your upper body and your hands going down, down. So you go 1, 2. So it goes like 1, 2, 3 and 4. Go wave, go wave. After this you have to go mithi galna karke. So for that, have you seen that lat lag day step? So it goes So you have to go 1 and step. Take your left leg up and down with your hand. After that, you have to go step your left leg, step your right leg. With that, your hands will make a semicircle from above. It will go up and then up, back. So with that, when you start your hands, you go step and then back step. So it goes like So it goes like 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, go 2. After this, turn your leg in, go in, and with that, hit with your hand, go in, out. So it will go, your right leg will turn in, and your hand will go hit. So go hit. Think of grabbing something, go grab, and try to move your lower body as well with your hands. Go grab. And when you finish this step, come in. So it goes grab and come in with your feet together and do a chest out. So it goes grab in, chest out. After that you go look. So place your right leg out and look. Then turn to your left side. Go turn and think of holding something in your right hand. So this step is a bit tricky. I won't say it is difficult, but it is a bit tricky. So your hands roll, go roll. So your right hand goes from back to up and your left hand comes from back to forward. So you go roll and with that your legs come in and out. So this step looks like After this you come forward and go left in. Basically drag your left in, out, in, out. With that your hand goes in, out, in, out. So it looks like in, out. Do the same thing with your right leg now. In, out, in, out. So it goes mm, mm. After that, take your right leg and make a semicircle again. Make a semicircle with it and with your hands do the same thing. Circle from above your head. So it goes like circle. After that, place it in your side and now your right leg will go in, out, in. From back, you have to go in, out, in. And your hands go like your right hand is facing down, your left hand is facing down, and the switch. Go up, down, up. So it looks like after circle, go After that, you bring your right leg in and you rub your hands against your shoulder. And with that, you just have to do a slight bend with your knees. Go rub, rub. Then open your right leg out and the line says Garmiya. So for that you are going like Pasina. So you go sardiyan vich garmi. Then make fist with your hands and go hit up, hit down. Go hit, hit. With that, try to contract your chest in. So hit, hit. So it will look like hit, hit. Make it strong. Go hit, hit. So it looks like sardiyan which garmi, hit, hit. And after that, you have to walk just 2 steps. Go 1, 2. So it looks like hit, hit, 1, 2, and then kick with your right leg and then with your left leg. Go kick up, kick up. And your right hand basically makes a cross and cross. When your left leg goes up, it goes cross and cross. So it looks like tha, tha, then walk, walk, go cross, cross. So go hit, hit, walk, walk, cross, cross. When you are crossing, don't place your right leg back, place it front and turn. So it goes cross, cross, turn. After that, you just have to think like you're holding a rod in your hand and go make a circle with it. Circle, circle. And do the same with your lower body. Go make a circle to the side. Go side, side, and then turn back. And now your right and left hand goes up, up. Basically they are moving opposite. It goes up, up, and this hand goes down. It goes up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down. And try to move your lower body with it. Go up, up, down, down. So this line is sardiyan vich garmi, tha, tha, walk, walk, cross, cross, step, rod, rod, step down. So after this step, we are turning to the front. Move your right leg up and then down. So bring your right leg up and down. After that, you have to go down, come back up. So the whole step will look like right, down, up, down, down, up. And after that, you have to bend your knees and your right leg will go in, then your left leg will go in. It will go in, in. Go hit, hit. And then turn on your left leg. Go turn but halfway. Don't turn full. You have to turn half. You have to do hit, hit, half turn. Now imagine you are holding something in your hand, in your left hand, and you have to roll your right finger. Now with your legs, you have to move forward. Your right leg going on your toe, then left on your toe. Right, left, right, left. So we move forward, right, left, right, left. After that, open front, open your hands, make your hands go up and then down. Fold your knees and come up. So let's try from the beginning once. You go A, go semicircle, go right, left, right, wave, wave, go mithiya, step, step again, start, step again, hit, go grab in, chest out, go look, plate, khazana, go left in, right in, make a circle, go up, down, up, go sardiyan, garmi, hit, hit, walk, walk, cross, step, go rod, rod, back, right, left, go up, down, down, up, in, turn half, move, 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 open, up, down. So, so this was first part of the song. Now let's start the second part of the song. So think of pulling your hands in and try to do a wave. Go. Pull, then step your right leg, crossing your left leg. Then bring your left leg out. So it goes like pull, cross, out. And with that, your hand goes pull, go. Crazy, crazy. Then again, you have to step your right leg back. Cross it from back this time and then bring it back. So with that, your hand goes out, out. So it looks like out, out. Next step is imagine you're running, but try to run diagonal. Go run, run. But you are doing it in place. So you go step, step, run, run. So you're running, running. And then after this step is a little bit fast. So your leg goes right, right, up, left, left, up. So basically you have to step right, right, and bring your left leg up. Left, left, bring your right leg up. It looks like da 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 da. With that, your hands will go right, right, up, left, left, up. So it looks like cheti, cheti, da 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 da. So it will look like da 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 da. And after this step, it is your freestyle area. You can go look to the camera or you can go turn, do whatever you like, okay? Then you have to come back on, baby, let me see it. So this step is, you have to take your right leg, place it in front and turn. Go turn. Then place it back, pull back, so that you can turn here. So we go turn, turn. We go turn, turn. With that, your hands will go touch your shoulder and out. Go touch your shoulder and go out. So it will look like touch, out. After that, bring your left hand forward like you're holding something. Make a fist with your right hand and move it in circle. With that, you have to do a hip roll too. You have to go circle, circle, circle. You have to do circle, circle, circle. After that, you have to place your right leg again and turn. Go turn. And this time, this step we did at the beginning, grabbing. We have to do it from the front. You have to go grab. Grab from your front. And with that, move your lower body too. Go grab and then turn and face here. Don't take a full turn. You just have to go grab and face there. So you have to go grab, take a half turn, and now you have to do a wave, a full body wave. And with that, your hands will go down, down, down. Go, wave, wave, wave. So it looks like grab, turn, ah, ah, ah. After that, face in front and go rub your hands, rub your hands. To the left, to the right. With that, slightly step your right and left leg. Go step in place. Go step, 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 step. After that, your right hand will go out, in, out, in. With that, move your upper body as well. Go out, in, out, in. And your leg goes up, down, up, down. So it looks like out, out, out. After doing this, you have to turn from the back side. Take a half turn. Go turn. And look here. Now you have to basically switch your legs. You have to go kick, 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 kick. And you have to switch it. Go right, left, right. Go right, left, right. With that, your hands will go roll, roll, roll. Basically, your right hand will roll. So it looks like right, left, right. And now don't place your leg back. You have to directly open it from here. You are here, bend, you are here, bend your leg and open. Then you have to bend your knees, go out, in, out, in. Go look, 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 look. It is 2 times. Go look, look. Bring your right leg in. And now you have to twist your body. Basically go twist, twist to the left side. Go twist, twist. Place your hands in front just straight hands and twist them to the left. So it looks like, sorry, twist your hands towards the right and your body towards the left. So it should look like this. Go 1 and then bring your hands up and go 2. So it looks 1, 2, 1, 2. So let's try from the beginning of the second part. So it goes like wave, crazy, crazy, step, back, cheti, cheti, stop, stop, go free style, come back, go touch your shoulder, back, go jalebi, baby, grab, come back, do the wave, go side, side, open, open, turn here, go switch, 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 open, go look, look, come back, go right, go twist, twist. So this was it for the video, guys. I hope it helps you. If you want a tutorial on some other choreography, you can comment below and let me know. Thank you for watching.